Hello YouTube, H14BM, snow day. A lot of people asking me if this car can drive through snow. So let's find out. Although I have the steering, this side is broken, so it's not gonna be the perfect run. Parts are coming in the mail. I'll be controlling one-handed, 100% 3S. Let's see. I don't know if it's gonna steer well with just one wheel. See how it's weird, but we'll try. Oh, goes underneath there. Too much power. Too much power, and it's very cold. I'll try to go in circles. Oh no! Too much snow, and the steering is not working well because it's broken, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to record this pretty well. As soon as it gets in there, it's gone. Got stuck again. Yeah, with the steering the way it is, it's almost impossible to control. I'm trying my best here, but well, I think you got the idea. Let me get this. It definitely can run through snow. The problem is that the steering is broken, so not able to control this pretty well. But the car is very nice. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll probably get some better snow day videos while it's not snowing, because now I'm covered up in snow. Not the best feeling right now, and my hands hurts bad. Thank you very much for watching. Consider subscribing for more. Bye.